Once our server is running, we can also visit what's currently a placeholder for what will be a home page. But for now, even in the absence of a home page, if you visit just simply localhost 8000, it will bring you to, yes, a 404 page not found, but you can see here that it breaks down all of the available URLs that are inside of the Merlin project. And there are a lot of them, almost 200 of them. Now, I'm not going to go through every individual one of these URLs, and there are not 200 links in Merlin. But what you'll see is, in the next subsequent videos, I will be highlighting the On-Demand Center, the Search Engine, the Network State Changes Center, the API, the Business Ready Documents Center, CSV, and the latest records of each table, as well as individually naturally sorted, pre-sorted, pre-filter URLs that the user can just visit directly. So for now, there is no home page. There will be one soon, but you can still visit this in case you ever get lost in the Merlin project, or if you'd like to explore the available URLs. There will be a 1 or 2 minute video per URL coming. I just wanted to highlight that localhost 8000 does listen and answer and will provide you what we can consider a site map for now. Thank you again for your time, and these videos will continue.